7 a.m., waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my bowl, gotta have cereal, seed and everything. The time is going ticking on and on, everybody's rushing. Gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus. I see my friends kicking in the front seat. Sitting in the back seat, gotta make my mind up which seat can I take. It's Friday, gotta get down on Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Weekend Friday getting down on Friday, everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Partying yeah, partying yeah, fun, looking forward to the weekend. Thank you. Please vote for me. Have a nice day.